Sit. This is Stryker. Sit. He is crazy about birds. Sit. We did a little hold with Stryker yesterday with the bumpers. Sit. And hold objects. Sit. Sit. So today we're going to practice hold with the frozen bird and teach him a little mouth manner. Sit. Hold. Here, hold. Hold. Good. Hold. Good. Out. Good. Fetch. Hold. Hold. Good. Good. Out. Sit. Fetch. Hit. Hit. Sit. Fetch. Sit. Hold. 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 Sit. Hold. Good. Good hold. Hold. Good hold. 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 He likes to be mouthy. Hold. So the frozen bird hopefully will keep him developing. Fetch. Just sit. Gonna do a little ear pinch. Sit. Okay, we'll use that one. Good. Hold. 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 Good. Out. Sit. Fetch. Hold. Hold. Good. 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 Hold. Out. Sit. 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 Oh yeah, I know. Sit. 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 Fetch. Hold. Heel. Hold. Good. Hold. Good. Good hold. Very good. Out. Sit. Fetch. Sit. Fetch. Here. Hold. Sit. 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 Here. Fetch. Now hold. Good. Out. Fetch. Here. Here. Good. Here. Sit. Hold. Hold. Out. Hold. 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 Good. Good hold. Out. Now sit. Fetch. Here. Here. Fetch. Fetch. Hold. No. Fetch. Hold. Good. Here. Hold. Sit. Very good. Hold. Good. Out. Sit. 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 Here. Sit. Heel. Sit. Fetch. Hold. Hold. Heel. Sit. Here. Sit. Good. Good hold. Good. Out. Sit. Here. Sit. Fetch. Hold. Heel. Good. Sit. Hold. Hold. Out. Out. All done. All done. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Sit.